Hello again, everybody. This is Renee Rutten here, and we're going to do another training on Canva, and I'm going to show you how to do transparent lettering. This is going to be a really short video because this is really easy to do, but it can be very handy and it can really make for some eloquent designs. So here we go. We're going to our home page in Canva, and we're just going to use an Instagram post. I am going to go to my uploads folder and let's see if I can find my images. I'm a little bit of a photographer here, so I wanted to, here we go. Here's an Alaska image. We went to Alaska for our 25th wedding anniversary, and it was absolutely amazing. But anyway, okay, so here we go. So this is a picture of Alaska. Now I'm going to put on it a transparent wording. So I'm just going to say Alaska 2015. I make that kind of a little bit larger. I'm going to adjust, make sure that I have it centered here with the frame that's around it, and it is selected because it's got the markings. Then I'm going to go over here on transparency. Well, wait a minute. First of all, I want to make it white. Okay, now I'm going to go to transparency, and I'm going to lighten that up. So that's really it. That's how you can make wording transparent on an image. You of course could make it many different colors. We'll see what a black one looks like. Again, any color that you want to make it. That doesn't even show up at all. That one there isn't too bad. Another really handy thing that you can use this for is, and I don't know if I have a really good example here. Why don't we go to elements and see if we can find something. And I just want a logo. So I have no idea what this logo is supposed to be, but let's put this logo here, and let's get it much smaller. So let's assume that you're making Pinterest pins and you want to brand them, and you have a logo, but you don't want the logo to distract from the picture. So a really good way to do that is, again, go here and just lighten that up so that it is there. People can't copy your image. We can even make it white, and we could even lighten it up a little bit more. People can't take your pin or your post, if this is a Facebook post or whatever, they can't take it and copy it because it has your watermark on it. But yeah, your watermark is discreet because it is so transparent like that. So that's it, folks. I hope you have a great holiday weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like this little tip, be sure and leave a message for me underneath the video. And thank you once again for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.